What if I told you that two people could save the exact same amount of money, but one person ends up earning significantly more simply because of where they keep their savings? If your money is sitting in a traditional savings account, you may be missing out on an opportunity to grow your money faster. Today, we're breaking down the difference between a high-yield savings account and a basic savings account. Hi everyone, if you're looking for practical ways to build wealth and make smarter financial decisions, you're in the right place. Let's talk about where your savings should be working for you. First, let's define a basic savings account. A basic savings account is the traditional account offered by most banks. It's a safe place to store your money and provides easy access when you need it. The downside, many traditional savings accounts offer very low interest rates. This means your money grows slowly over time. Now let's look at a high-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account works similarly to a traditional savings account, but it pays a much higher interest rate. This allows your money to earn more while still remaining accessible. For example, let's say you have $10,000 in savings. If your basic savings account earns 0.05% interest, you'll earn very little over the course of a year. However, if you place that same $10,000 in a high-yield savings account, earning a significantly higher rate, your money can grow much faster without requiring any additional deposits. Here are some key benefits of a high-yield savings account. Higher interest earnings, FDIC insurance at most participating banks. Great for emergency funds, helps combat inflation. No investment experience required. However, remember that interest rates can change, so it's always important to compare options before opening an account. At the end of the day, the goal isn't just to save money, it's to make your money work for you. Take a few minutes this week to review your current savings account and compare it to available high-yield options. You may be surprised by how much more your money could earn. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to build stronger financial habits. See you in the next video.